budget template is a great way to plan how much you intend to budget each month. To create one, you just add a goal to every category. Yep, every single category. Now, this may feel a bit daunting, but the beautiful thing is that by doing all this work now, it really speeds up the budgeting process the next time that you get paid. Let's go ahead and walk through it. We're going to approach this one step at a time. If you're budgeting with a partner, it's probably best that you sit down together to discuss this template because it's going to be the plan for where you intend to budget your dollars once they arrive. For any fixed bills in my immediate obligations, I'll use a monthly contribution goal. My rent is the same amount every single month and I do pay it all at once, so we'll call that a monthly contribution of $1,000. Also, my internet bill is always $50 a month, so that works for that as well. For variable monthly bills, I'll use the monthly spending goal so that anything that I don't spend this month will be added to my goal balance next month. So, for example, groceries is a good example of that one. Also, I'm never quite sure exactly how much I'm going to need for the car, so I always try to guess, and guess a little high. I'll continue this line of thought for my true expenses as well. If I'm trying to save up a specific amount for a bill due on a specific date, well, then I'll use a target balance goal. For example, my car insurance. I'm not going to be spending any of that money until the bill comes due, but it's a big one, so I want to start getting ready for that. I'll go ahead and create a target balance of $600 and have that ready by the time that bill comes due next February. And YNAB does the math for me and says I need to budget $100 a month between now and February to be ready to pay that bill. But if I plan on spending as I save up for a goal, then I'll choose spending by date goal. For example, I like to buy Christmas presents throughout the year, so that's a great example. I'll go ahead and add that $1,000 goal to save up by December. And again, YNAB tells me how much I need to budget each month, but I can spend from this category, and it will continue to prompt me to save that $250 to get $1,000 by December. Now let's go ahead and fast forward past all this decision making to a budget that's got a goal in every category. Once all your goals are added, then you can select all your categories and look at the underfunded in the inspector on the right-hand side. Your budget has added up all of your goals and is telling you exactly how much you need to stay on track. Before you start budgeting, ask yourself an important question. Is this budget realistic? If your monthly income is considerably less than the underfunded amount, then you might need to make some changes. But that's okay. You have a much better picture of what you can afford, and you won't come up short. Your budget will remember your goals, but your priorities may change. Okay, let's be honest, they will change. And when they do, just change your goals. Keep tweaking them until your budget template fits your income and your priorities.